Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. We're so happy to have you here. If you love woodworking, rustic home decor, DIY creativity, and unique wall art ideas, then today's video is just for you. We're exploring the beautiful world of wood slice decor wall art, where simple pieces of natural wood are transformed into stunning decorative masterpieces. Whether you are an experienced woodworker or someone just beginning your woodworking journey, these inspiring ideas will encourage you to see the beauty hidden inside every tree branch, log, and wood slice. Grab your tools, prepare your workspace, and let's discover how natural wood can become elegant wall decor that brings warmth, texture, and personality into every room of your home. Wood slice wall art has become one of the most popular trends in modern home decor because it perfectly combines nature with craftsmanship. Every slice of wood tells its own story through its unique grain, growth rings, natural cracks, and organic textures. Unlike factory-made decorations, no two wood slices are exactly alike, making every project completely original. This natural uniqueness gives handmade wood slice art a timeless appeal that fits beautifully into rustic, farmhouse, Scandinavian, modern, bohemian, cabin, and even contemporary interior designs. Woodworkers appreciate these projects because they allow creativity to flourish while making excellent use of reclaimed wood, fallen branches, or leftover lumber that might otherwise be discarded. The journey begins by selecting suitable wood. Hardwood species such as oak, maple, walnut, cherry, birch, and ash are popular choices because of their durability and beautiful grain patterns. Softwoods like pine and cedar can also produce attractive results, especially for lightweight wall decorations. Fresh logs should be cut into slices of varying thickness, usually between 1/2 inch and 1 inch depending on the desired appearance. After cutting, patience becomes an important part of the process because the wood must dry properly to reduce cracking and warping. Some natural cracks actually enhance the rustic character of the finished artwork, while proper sealing helps preserve the wood for many years. Once the wood slices have dried, careful sanding transforms rough surfaces into smooth canvases. Beginning with coarse sandpaper and gradually moving to finer, grits reveals the stunning natural grain hidden beneath the rough exterior. Sanding also removes saw marks while keeping the bark intact whenever possible, preserving the authentic beauty of nature. Many woodworkers enjoy leaving the bark around the edges because it creates an organic frame that highlights the natural shape of each slice. Others prefer removing the bark for a cleaner contemporary look. Both approaches produce beautiful results depending on the desired style. One of the simplest yet most elegant wood slice wall art ideas is arranging slices of different sizes into a geometric pattern. Large slices can serve as focal points, while smaller ones fill the surrounding spaces, creating balance and movement across the design. The varying diameters naturally create visual interest without requiring additional decoration. Mounted onto a plywood backing or directly onto the wall, these arrangements become eye-catching statement pieces that celebrate nature's own artistic patterns. Many woodworkers enjoy creating mosaic-style wall art by combining dozens or even hundreds of small wood slices into larger compositions. The circular shapes fit together like puzzle pieces, producing fascinating textures and dimensional surfaces. Some artists organize slices according to size for symmetry, while others embrace randomness for a more organic appearance. This technique works beautifully above fireplaces, living room sofas, dining room walls, or entryways where guests immediately notice the impressive craftsmanship. Burning designs into wood slices using pyrography adds another artistic dimension. A wood-burning tool allows intricate patterns, wildlife scenes, mountain landscapes, inspirational quotes, floral designs, mandalas, or personalized family names to become permanent parts of the wood itself. The contrast between the dark burned lines and the warm wood tones creates striking visual effects while preserving the natural beauty of the grain. Pyrography offers endless creative opportunities for woodworkers who enjoy detailed artistic expression. Painting selected portions of wood slices introduces color while maintaining the warmth of natural timber. White geometric designs create modern Scandinavian aesthetics, while soft earth tones complement rustic interiors. Metallic gold, silver, or copper accents provide elegant highlights that catch natural light beautifully. Some artists paint colorful landscapes, flowers, birds, forests, or abstract designs directly onto the smooth wood surfaces, allowing the grain to remain visible beneath transparent paints. This combination of natural texture and artistic color creates truly unique wall decor. Another inspiring project involves creating family photo displays using wood slices as picture frames. Small photographs can be attached to individual slices and connected with rope, leather straps, or decorative chains to form charming wall galleries. Adding engraved family names, meaningful dates, or inspirational words personalizes each display while celebrating cherished memories. These handcrafted photo walls become meaningful focal points that combine woodworking with storytelling. Seasonal wood slice decorations allow homeowners to refresh their decor throughout the year. Spring designs may feature flowers, butterflies, and birds, while summer themes showcase beaches, sunshine, or leafy greenery. Autumn projects celebrate pumpkins, colorful leaves, and harvest scenes, while winter decorations include snowflakes, pine trees, stars, and festive holiday designs. Simply changing painted motifs or hanging arrangements keeps home decor fresh while using the same beautiful wood slices. Tree ring art celebrates the fascinating natural history recorded inside every slice. The visible growth rings reveal years of development, weather conditions, and the life of the tree itself. Many woodworkers highlight these natural rings using clear finishes that deepen the wood's color without hiding its authentic beauty. Visitors often admire these remarkable natural patterns, appreciating that nature itself created the artwork long before human hands began shaping it. Combining wood slices with metal elements creates an attractive industrial farmhouse style. Black steel frames, iron brackets, copper wire, or aluminum accents provide striking contrast against warm wood tones. Metal leaves, branches, geometric lines, or minimalist frames enhance the artwork while maintaining a balanced contemporary appearance. This fusion of materials fits beautifully into loft apartments, modern homes, and rustic industrial interiors. Adding preserved moss, dried flowers, eucalyptus leaves, or small artificial greenery transforms would slice wall art into living-inspired botanical displays. The combination of natural wood and greenery creates refreshing organic textures that bring the outdoors inside. These botanical compositions work especially well in bathrooms, kitchens, sunrooms, or relaxing living spaces where natural elements create peaceful atmospheres. Wood slice clocks remain among the most practical decorative projects. A large wood slice serves as the clock face while preserving its natural grain. Simple metal hands and a quality clock mechanism complete the project with minimal effort. Numbers may be painted, engraved, burned, or replaced with decorative markers. These handcrafted clocks function as both artwork and useful household accessories while showcasing woodworking skills. Three-dimensional wall sculptures take wood slice art to another creative level. Instead of mounting slices flat, varying their depth creates shadows, movement, and dramatic visual texture. Thick slices alternate with thinner pieces, producing sculptural surfaces that change appearance as natural light moves throughout the day. These dimensional installations become captivating centerpieces that encourage viewers to appreciate both craftsmanship and natural beauty. Reclaimed wood slices offer sustainable opportunities for environmentally conscious woodworkers. Fallen trees, storm-damaged branches, old fence posts, reclaimed beams, or discarded firewood often contain beautiful grain patterns waiting to be rediscovered. Giving new life to reclaimed materials reduces waste while preserving natural resources, making every finished artwork both beautiful and environmentally responsible. Wood slice wall maps have become increasingly popular among creative woodworkers. Individual slices represent countries, states, or regions mounted together to create unique geographical artwork. Families often mark meaningful travel destinations or hometowns using engraved labels or colored finishes. These personalized maps celebrate adventure while adding educational and decorative value to any home. Minimalist wood slice designs emphasize simplicity rather than elaborate decoration. A single perfectly sanded slice finished with natural oil can become an elegant piece of modern wall art. Sometimes the beauty of wood itself requires no additional embellishment. Clean lines, balanced spacing, and quality craftsmanship allow natural materials to become the true focus of the design. Large feature walls completely covered with wood slices create breathtaking focal points. Although these installations require patience and planning, the final results transform ordinary rooms into extraordinary living spaces filled with warmth, depth, and natural texture. Hotels, restaurants, cabins, cafes, and modern homes increasingly embrace these dramatic accent walls because they create unforgettable visual experiences while celebrating sustainable craftsmanship. Proper finishing protects wood slice artwork from moisture, dust, sunlight, and everyday wear. Natural oils such as tung oil or Danish oil enhance grain while maintaining a soft, matte appearance. Polyurethane offers greater durability with satin or glossy finishes, while wax provides a smooth, hand-rubbed feel. The chosen finish depends on the desired appearance, location, and level of protection required. As woodworking skills improve, experimentation becomes an exciting part of the creative journey. Combining resin with wood slices creates stunning river effects, colorful transparent inlays, or embedded decorative elements. LED lighting behind wood slice installations produces dramatic evening ambience, highlighting textures and creating beautiful shadows across interior walls. Mixed media projects incorporating glass, stone, leather, fabric, or ceramics further expand artistic possibilities while maintaining wood as the central design element. Every completed wood slice project reflects patience, creativity, craftsmanship, and appreciation for nature. Handmade wall art carries emotional value that mass-produced decorations simply cannot match. Friends and family often admire these unique creations because they represent hours of thoughtful design, careful woodworking, and personal artistic expression. Many woodworkers even transform this rewarding hobby into successful small businesses by creating custom commissions for homeowners seeking one-of-a-kind decor. The greatest inspiration often comes from observing nature itself. Forest walks reveal countless textures, colors, shapes, and patterns waiting to influence future woodworking projects. Every fallen branch, weathered log, or interesting tree trunk holds creative potential. By respecting natural materials and applying skilled craftsmanship, woodworkers preserve a small piece of nature within every finished artwork, bringing warmth and authenticity into homes around the world. Wood slice wall decor reminds us that beauty often exists in the simplest materials. What begins as an ordinary piece of timber can become a cherished work of art through imagination, patience, and dedication. Whether creating a rustic farmhouse centerpiece, an elegant modern sculpture, a personalized family display, or an abstract geometric composition, wood slice wall art celebrates the remarkable partnership between nature and human creativity. Each project encourages craftsmanship, sustainability, and artistic exploration while inspiring others to appreciate the timeless beauty of wood. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these wood slice decor wall art ideas have inspired your next woodworking project and sparked new creative ideas for your home decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking inspiration, DIY home decor projects, creative wood art ideas, and step-by-step tutorials. Leave a comment below and tell us which wood slice design inspired you the most, or share your own woodworking experiences with our community. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, and keep turning ordinary wood into extraordinary works of art. Happy woodworking, and we'll see you in the next video.